So this keeps happening. This is how you fix that. Remove the tank lid. This is how it's supposed to work. You push the handle down, the arm in the tank goes up. The chain connected to the end of the arm is also connected to the flapper. So when the arm goes up, the flapper goes up, letting the toilet flush. The first thing to check, and what's likely the problem, is the chain lost a connection. It could also be the back of the handle is broke, or the end of the arm is. Either one will require the handle to be replaced. Another place to look is where the chain connects to the flapper. The flapper itself can be broke. Then it will require for the flapper to be replaced. In my case, the chain disconnected. If the chain in the tank is longer than it needs to be, like mine is, make sure you connect it at the correct length. For some reason, within a month, this is the third time reattaching the chain at the same connection point. To permanently fix this, I'm going to use a bent needle nose pliers. Any kind of pliers will work. I'm going to squeeze the clip that holds the chain at this point. This should keep it from getting unhooked again. There. This is how it's looking now. Give it a test, and it's working as it should. Now we can put the lid back on and we're done. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that bell, like, and subscribe button for me. Until next time, peace.